looking after nature. Molly is a duck. Polly is a duck. Molly and Polly are good friends. They live happily in a pond. Quack, 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 quack. The pond is very clean. One day, three children come to the park for a picnic. They sit down and start to eat. The children are enjoying their picnic. They are throwing peelings into the pond. Now they are throwing empty juices boxes into the pond. Molly and Polly are getting upset. Molly asks the children, "Why are you throwing rubbish into the pond?" Polly tells the children, you should not make the pond dirty. The children are feeling sad. The children say sorry to Molly and Polly. They promise not to throw rubbish in the pond again. They also promise to take care of nature. Molly and Polly are very happy. And you can also get these books: Ali's Late Day, Asthma and Bunny, The King of Fruits. Now, these are very nice stories, and English. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.